look at how long it is. And all the whatever.
Celebrities. Yeah, they do that. Some of them do. Downtown St. John's, Newfoundland.
Lifeboats.
That, and these are all the buses picking people up, going somewhere, taking them out to a big party or somewhere.
Yeah, they're all good. Oh my God. That's huge.
That's a city block long.
Rumor has it she's not leaving till tomorrow morning now.
Oh, is that right?
Yep.
Well, sounds like that.